Ever felt like your crypto was trapped in a digital vault, and you just couldn't find the right key? Like you're staring at a treasure chest, but you've misplaced the map? We've all been there. You've got your digital assets safely tucked away in a wallet, maybe a hardware wallet, or a software one, and now you want to bring them into the bustling marketplace of Kraken. You want to trade, you want to stake, you want to participate in the exciting world of crypto on a major exchange. But how exactly do you bridge that gap? How do you move those assets from your personal wallet, your fortress of solitude, into the dynamic ecosystem of Kraken? See, it's not just about clicking a button and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the intricacies of blockchain transactions, the importance of security, and avoiding those costly, irreversible mistakes. You're not just moving digital numbers, you're moving your hard-earned value. And in the world of crypto, a wrong address, a missed step, can mean losing it all. Think of it like moving your physical valuables. You wouldn't just hand over your precious items to a stranger without knowing exactly where they're going, right? You'd meticulously pack them, verify the recipient, and track their journey. The same level of care and precision is needed in importing your crypto wallet into Kraken. Now, why Kraken? Well, it's a reputable exchange, known for its security and diverse range of supported cryptocurrencies. It's a place where you can confidently manage your digital assets, trade them, and explore the various opportunities the crypto market offers. But before you can do any of that, you need to get your assets into Kraken. Many people stumble at this hurdle. They get lost in the sea of addresses, network confirmations, and transaction fees. They worry about accidentally sending their funds to the wrong place or getting caught in a network jam. The fear is real. And it's understandable. So, let's break it down, step by step, and demystify the process of importing your wallet into Kraken. We'll cover everything from generating deposit addresses to understanding network fees and ensuring your transactions are secure. We'll walk you through the process, so you can confidently move your assets and start leveraging the power of Kraken. First things first, we need to understand the concept of a deposit address. Think of it as your unique mailbox within Kraken. It's where you'll send your crypto from your external wallet. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique deposit address on Kraken. So, if you're sending Bitcoin, you'll need a Bitcoin deposit address. If you're sending Ethereum, you'll need an Ethereum deposit address, and so on. To find your deposit address on Kraken, you'll need to log into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Funding section. This is your gateway to managing your deposits and withdrawals. In the Funding section, you'll find a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Now, pay very close attention. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. This address is crucial. It's where you'll send your crypto. You'll also see a QR code, which is a scannable representation of your address. Here's the golden rule: double check, triple check, and even quadruple check your deposit address. Mistakes here are irreversible. A single wrong character can send your funds into the digital abyss. Kraken also provides you with a network selection option. This is where you choose the blockchain network you'll be using to transfer your crypto. For example, if you're depositing Ethereum, you might have the option to use the Ethereum mainnet or a Layer 2 network like Arbitrum or Optimism. Choosing the correct network is essential to avoid losing your funds. Now, let's move to your external wallet. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Open your wallet and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Here, you'll need to enter the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier. Again, double-check that address. Verify every single character. Use the QR code option if available, as it eliminates the risk of typing errors. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of crypto you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements set by Kraken. These requirements vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about network fees. These fees are paid to the blockchain miners or validators for processing your transaction. They vary depending on the network congestion and the speed you want your transaction to be confirmed. Most wallets allow you to choose between different fee options, such as slow, medium, or fast. A higher fee will typically result in a faster confirmation time. However, it will also cost you more. Choose a fee that balances speed and cost according to your needs. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review everything carefully. Make sure the deposit address, the amount, and the network fee are correct. Then, confirm the transaction. Now, the waiting game begins. The time it takes for your transaction to be confirmed depends on the network congestion and the fee you paid. You can track the progress of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. Most wallets provide a link to the Explorer for your convenience. Once your transaction is confirmed, the funds will appear in your Kraken account. This may take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and the network. Here are some crucial safety tips to keep in mind. Always double-check your deposit address. This is the most critical step. Use the correct network. Sending crypto to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Be aware of network fees. Choose a fee that balances speed and cost. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account and your wallet. This adds an extra layer of security. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. These are the keys to your crypto kingdom. Be wary of phishing scams. Always verify the legitimacy of any website or email before entering your credentials. Start with a small test transaction. Before sending a large amount, send a small amount to ensure everything is working correctly. Keep your software and apps updated. Updates often include security patches. Consider using a hardware wallet for added security. Hardware wallets store your private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking. Now, what if you encounter problems? Maybe your transaction is taking too long, or you've accidentally sent your funds to the wrong address. First, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Blockchain transactions can take time, especially during periods of high network congestion. If your transaction is taking longer than expected, check the Blockchain Explorer. It will provide you with information about the status of your transaction. If you've sent your funds to the wrong address, unfortunately, there's usually no way to recover them. Blockchain transactions are irreversible. This is why it's so important to double-check your address before sending. If you're unsure about anything, contact Kraken support. They can provide you with assistance and guidance. Importing your wallet into Kraken doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can confidently move your assets and start exploring the world of crypto on Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.